sea eagle. Hembra, female, proviene in the north of Europa. They come from the north of Europe. Peso 5 kilos, weighs around about 5 kilos. Hembra, female, nuestro pigao, de color blanco, white-tailed sea eagle. Okay, Dulce, paciencia, do be patient, okay? Está hablando 4 semanas solo en show. We're talking about 4 weeks in show. Y a ver qué ella quiere hacer. Let's see what she wants to do, poco a poco, little by little. Un águila en vuelo, one eagle flying. Nuestra águila nueva, the new eagle. Vamos a continuar, we can now continue. Lotta será en frente de ustedes, goes away in front of you. Mire detrás de ustedes, look behind you. Y vamos con Portas. Águila Rapax, step eagle. Veterano, he's a veteran, trabajando más de 10 años. He's been working over 10 years. Okay, so you can see the difference, 4 weeks and 10 years, okay? There's a big difference going on. Lotta, she needs to get used to flying with other birds. She needs to get used to the public, okay? I've kind of lost where she's gone, but I guess she's over there somewhere. Yes, I can see her. To your left-hand side, por su izquierda, puede ver su color blanco. You can see a white tail. Dos águilas en vuelo libre, 2 eagles flying. Vamos con otra águila. Let's carry on with another eagle. Otra vez here, atrás again behind you. Vamos con Toby. Águila esmeralda, black-chested eagle. Macho male, proviene de América del Sur, comes from the south of America. Se llama Toby, and his name is the Tobster. Entonces, 3 águilas en vuelo libre. We have 3 eagles flying freely. Toby águila escuadra, black-chested eagle. Por su derecha, to your right hand